Legal entities are used to segment the financial postings of a legal entity, not assist in compliance audit mitigation. Is it correct? Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. No, while legal entities do segment financial postings, they also play a role in compliance and audit mitigation by ensuring that financial records are maintained. We intend to integrate sales, resourcing, project management, and expense tracking within a single application. What should we implement? A. Dynamics 365 Project Operations. B. Dynamics 365 Finance. C. Dynamics 365 Business Central. C. Dynamics 365 Human Resources. Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. Tabwar should implement Dynamics 365 Business Central because it comprehensively covers sales, resourcing, project management, and expense. We implement Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management. We enable a warehouse layout. For each item, we should define the associated location name by using its coordinates, including the A. Location type, B. Size, C. Tree structure, C. Block location, E. Bin. Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. The characteristic to identify a location's name is best determined by knowing which item or product is stored there because it specifies the type of storage unit involved. This provides direct context about the physical placement relative to other areas. Which three finance modules are available in Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations to configure bank accounts, chart of accounts, and to maintain the A. Fixed assets, B. Landed cost, C. Cash and bank management, G. Enterprise asset management, E. General ledger. Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. Fixed assets is essential for managing the life cycle of fixed assets. It allows organizations to maintain the value of their assets and ensures compliance with accounting standards. Cash and bank management effectively handles the configuration of bank accounts and maintains asset values by tracking both physical cash and electronic banking transactions. The General Ledger module is the core of financial management in Dynamics 365 Finance. It includes the chart of accounts and is used for recording all financial transactions, providing a comprehensive view of the company's financial position. Legal entities are used to segment liabilities for retail channels in a single taxation entity. Is it correct? Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. No, legal entities are not specifically used to segment liabilities for retail channels within a single taxation entity. They represent distinct legal entities that can operate under different regulatory frameworks, including taxation, but they do not segment liabilities in this method. Legal entities are used to segment the financial transaction for a company for tax purposes. We implement Dynamics 365 Finance. We need assistance in identifying email integration capabilities for our documents. What are two valid use cases where Dynamics 365 Finance documents are shared with customers via email integration? A. The company emails invoices to customers after their hotel stay. B. Customers negotiate prices for hotel reservations with company agents by using their personal email addresses. C. A customer registers a complaint online regarding their stay at any of the company's hotels. D. The company sends statements to customers based on request. Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. While customer complaints are important, they are typically handled through dedicated customer service channels and do not directly involve sharing Dynamics 365 Finance, and sending statements to customers is a valid use case. It is not specifically related to email integration. Statements can be shared through various channels, not necessarily limited to email. Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations have the Export to Excel option. Exports the currently selected data that is visible in a grid on a page. Is it correct? Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. Not always true, because visibility and data selection constraints may affect visibility upon export, so it's no. Dynamics 365 Project Operation Project contracts are generated from an approved project lead record. Is it correct? Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. No, it is incorrect. Project contracts are usually generated from opportunities or quotes, rather than directly from leads. While leads help identify potential sales opportunities, they don't provide the detailed information needed for a project contract. You can assign employees or contractors to user-defined tasks and subtasks on a project. Is it correct? Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. Yes, in Dynamics 365 Project Operations, you can assign both employees and contractors to tasks and subtasks within a project. This allows for flexibility in resource allocation based on the specific requirements of the project. You can only associate one subproject with each project. In Dynamics 365 Finance, budget entries can be generated by opening a Microsoft Excel file. Is it correct? Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. Yes, it is true. Not forget to like and subscribe.